Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. So I am using some white acrylic paint and just a little foam applicator from the Dollar Tree. I'm also using one of these hearts. I'm using this great little metal sign that says home. And then I am using one of these sheets. It's wallpaper, peel and stick. It is removable, but we won't be removing ours. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take out a piece here, measure it out at where I want so that I can keep the rest, depending on what flower I want to use. It doesn't matter to me much, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out what I don't need. I'm gonna get some larger scissors here. And then I still have this for something else. So I will keep that. And before I move on to that, I'm gonna take this little guy and I'm just gonna use this piece of paper. I used it for my class on Saturday, and June is almost over for my stamping, but if you do need the host code, there it is. I'm gonna take some of the white acrylic paint, and oh my gosh, I haven't used it in forever, so I'm trying to figure out how to take this off because I'm sure the paint has stuck on there. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Phew. I have just been out of crafting mode, but lately I have found some fun crafts, and I thought these would be fun while I've been walking through the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here and there, just where I need it. I'm just gonna spread it all out. And I just want it to be colored white because I think the white will go better and show better against that paper. So this will be quick, easy. You probably already know what I'm doing because you guys know my style. And I don't need it to be like 100% pure white, but I don't want any of that galvanized metal or whatever it is called to be showing. So there we go. I think we're good. So you see that it's a little bit white. And that's it. We'll just wait for that to dry. And while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and we'll work on that heart. Put this on so it doesn't get all wonky again. Gosh, I haven't had acrylic fingers in quite a while. I'll get rid of this so I don't get paint everywhere. But I'll still use it. All right. We are going to take this here and we will take a piece off. And you can do this like as easy, or well, I guess they actually have this piece here that we can do. You can roll it off, and there's so many different ways, but I think the easiest way is probably just to take the tape off, lay it flat, and then just drop it down just like that. and then you're not going to get all those bubbles. See, it's already on there. You don't have any bubbles anywhere. And then you're just going to take your scissors and you're going to go around the outside of that wood, using that wood as a guide, and you'll have a great cut. And then you'll come back around this way. This will be a little bit harder because the scissors are not cut that way. See the difference in the cuts? But at least we can get rid of that. And then from here, we'll be able to start using that as a guide. And then we'll go back with smaller scissors for the top of that. Or you can use an X-Acto knife to cut that as well. I like to do my crafts, if you are new to my channel, in real life. I don't speed anything up unless it's a really long video or if it is something that is just tedious. If it's just tedious, then I will go ahead and speed it up. But I'm taking my smaller little snip type paper scissors here. And getting that. And now look at that. We've got a great little heart right there. And then I'm going to take a piece of my ribbon here. This is some Stampin' Up! Ribbon. Old Olive and Pretty Peacock. I think it goes rather well together. And I'm just going to take a piece of that. And we'll cut it that way. And then I'm going to make that hole. And I'm going to push down and let that. So I just pushed in, and since it's sticky, I was able to just push it against the edges like that. If you do have trouble, like here, I had a little bit of trouble with the cutting. If you don't want that to show, guess what you can do? You can take this little paint thing and go all the way around the outside and give it a little bit of white all the way around so it actually looks like that's exactly what you meant to do. So I'll go ahead and do that. You could also use it, I'm just using the white because I already have the white paint on there, but you could also use like a darker paint, like a green or a brown paint would look nice, and it'll just give it a nice, lovely finished edge there. And you can see this one's doing that same thing, and it really gives it a little bit of a nice finished look here. I really am kind of glad that happened so that we could do that. Now we've got a nice white finished edge on there. I love it. Happy accident. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to push it through there. I'm not going to, well, let me look. Let me see if this is dry yet. It is dry. So I could actually wait and put that on through here. Or I could put it, if I wanted to, I could glue it on. but since it has the holes and the holes, I'm just going to go ahead and use both of those holes. And I'm going to put this one right through here. It's not completely dry, I'm finding out now that I have touched it, but that's okay. Because it is like a metal, it's not going to dry as fast, right? But we are okay with it. So that's going to hang like that. We're going to take this guy here, and I'm going to make a little hanger. Just like that, and it's going to hang so cute, and it says home on there. And then we're just going to take our little scissors here and cut these at a nice little angle. And you guys, we have made this for $1, $2, $3. As long as you have a little bit of acrylic paint and some ribbon. You can even reuse the ribbon that comes with it. But I think this is so cute. They also have one that says welcome. So you can have, if you have double doors like me, you could double it, have one that says welcome and the other door say home. So it says welcome home. And I think that is adorable. Let me know what you think. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more DIYs, let me know. I will be doing some more craft ideas that I have, and I am looking forward to seeing you all again, beauties. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.